So to clean it, what I usually do, first we want to get the sticker off. So let's get that sticker off. Let's see if it comes off easily. It did. So you see it didn't leave anything behind, which is good. So we can get rid of that. And so what we do though is we have some cleaning stuff. So let's get can you reach up and get a paper towel?
Yeah, sure.
Great. There you go. Now pull that one off. Pull towards from the corner. There you go. Just tear real quick. Bam. Nice. All right. So what we'll do is we'll spray this. So you can sit down. Okay, that's probably fine. And then what I do is I just wipe everything down. So do you wanna wipe? Just wipe the whole thing down, or do you want me to do it?
I wanted to use the cleaning supply.
We will, because we're gonna have to get in all these little nooks and crannies. So let's do the big wipe first. So can you just wipe across the whole device? Try to get into corners. Make sure you get the top of things. Yep. You can go slow. Yep. Yep. Even get the top around here. Hold on to it too so it doesn't fly. Great. Need to get the top up here. Kind of rub it around. All right, may I do some? Look at all the dirt that already came off. Look at that. Ew. Okay, so I'm gonna hit it again, because this is a pretty dirty device. All right.
Ew, that smells bad.
It smells bad? Yeah, a lot of cleaning stuff doesn't smell great. Ugh. Pretty gross. So now it's just all about getting in all the little spots to get all the gunk out.
Wow, your workbench is a mess. Look how dirty it is. It's a little dirty. Don't you think we should clean it? Dad, it almost fell, but I caught it.
Right, that's pretty good.
Pretty good, but not that good on mine.
You still got more cleaning to do?
I can get the rest off. Do you have the batteries that go in this? It needs a big plug, like this.
Correct. It's called a 30-pin connector. And that's the hard part.
Why?
You see all the gunk in these buttons here? You can try to get some of it with a paper towel, but it's pretty tough. So I think this is a good time to try the
what?
Toothbrush. So let's put a little bit of this on the toothbrush. Not too much. And I'm just going to get in here. Clean it up. Yeah, that's working well. You see that? Watch this one. So you see all the dirt in here? Better. What do you think about that?
Better, but can we charge this? Dad, can we 3D print something in here?
That's not a 3D printer.
What is it?
Just a paper printer. It just prints pictures on paper. Pictures and words.
Can we make a book?